Hello, my name's Jim Goldsberry with Access Electrical, Project Manager. This is the Marriott Combo Courtyard Springhill Suites Hotel in Fernadina Beach, Florida. It's a 236 unit hotel complex. Trying to build it in 18 months, finish date of April 2021. This is the office admin area. Straight ahead looking is the kitchen, commercial kitchen with offices off to our right. Elevator, stairwell. This is the main electrical room. We've got 2500 amp main, 250 kVA transformer feeding the building, 480 volt. And this feeds the rest of the building. This is the emergency electrical room where all the feeds from the generator come in and get distributed out. Transfer switch and all the emergency panels for all the emergency lighting in the building. So you can just see all the distribution, all the pipe work that's involved. This is our 4-inch distribution going up to the second floor electrical room that feeds all the units on the Springhill Suite side. This is the structure for the parking garage. These are called double T's. If you notice, it looks like 2 T's. And they just set them in place, fold them in. We come back after it's all set and run conduit and lighting inside there. We'll go do a typical unit, and then we'll get all the conduit runs when they build up all the way to the other end of the corridor. The typical unit's got 5 circuits, all which are ran in a conduit all the way home from the corridor, MC inside the units. Master switch for all the lighting in the wall, which controls the lamps and everything else they want to be turned off with the master switch.